Hey guys, T here. Today I want to talk about levels. I got this level. It's a Craftsman. I got it at a flea market a while back, and it had a couple of busted out windows, but the level vials still looked good. And I used this to build my gazebo. Mistake number one. This level's not level. But what I find out is you got these screws here and you can actually adjust this level. Obviously this is an old style level. I don't know that you can do that to these newer ones. This is not exactly a new one, but we're going to take a look at this old Craftsman and see if we can't level it out. There's all kinds of new equipment, cool equipment, lasers and stuff. There's a little string level, which works good if you figured out how to use it. I didn't realize I used a string level to build this gazebo as well, and I didn't know that you put the level in the middle of the string. Well, I just had it at the end and couldn't figure out how come every time I made a measurement, it didn't work right. And then there's my grandfather's surveyor level. Boy, look at the bubble size on that guy. Wow. Anyway, we're going to do something with this old Craftsman level and see if we can't make it work. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. Let's get level. Here's a level I used for part of this. The bubble looks great. And we're going to turn it over. What? This level is almost a full bubble off. My gosh. No wonder this thing isn't level. Each one of these have a little grommet or a ring in there that I think must hold the glass in. These are kind of old, but they still look like they're flexible enough to do the job. We'll see, we don't have anything but this. And the vials themselves look fine. I have these adjustments. I think you must put a screwdriver in there and move it slightly. We'll see. So we've got the level that works, level, and we're going to adjust this guy. Let's see how this goes. We're going to put the glass in on this one. I thought this was plastic, but it's seems to be glass. So we're going to put a 45 triangle up here and then angle it and see if we can't adjust this 45. So there's the level show on the level. I love bringing back an old tool like this to life. And this old Craftsman level, it'll be of service for quite a while now. I also found that the newer levels, you can adjust or calibrate the vials as well. I just didn't know that. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. I'll see you soon.